If you've ever wondered how to see sent friend requests on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to find the friend requests you've already sent, so you can double-check them, cancel them if needed, or simply keep track of who you've reached out to. This is really useful if you send a lot of requests and want to stay organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. From the home screen, look for the menu icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines, also called the hamburger menu. Tap Menu to open your Facebook options. Once the menu opens, scroll through the available sections and tap Friends. This area is where Facebook keeps your friend-related activity, including requests, suggestions, and your friend list. After that, tap Friend Requests. Don't worry if you don't immediately see the sent requests you're looking for, because Facebook puts the option a little further inside this section. Now look for View Sent Requests and tap on it. This will show you the list of friend requests you've sent to other people that are still pending. From here, you can review each request and see who hasn't accepted yet. If you want to cancel any of those requests, you can usually tap on the person's name or profile and choose the option to cancel or withdraw the request. That way, you can clean up old requests you no longer want to keep open. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can see all of your sent friend requests on Facebook. It's fast, easy, and a great way to manage your connections more carefully. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.